Good morning. My name is Sheena, your real estate salesperson. Need a condo? Well, the same, I need two. Anyways, this is one Oasis in Cagayan, and here's the catch. Watch it out. Imagine owning a Bali-inspired condo right here in Cagayan. Wow, just minutes away from Limketkai Mall and the newly built LDS temple where big occasions happen and units are always in demand. So, building forward turnover estimated by December 2025. So, this is the perfect time to invest. One Oasis, it's a Muslim-friendly, welcoming community and the lifestyle upgrade you deserve. Now, here's the best part. If you rent it out at just 2,000 per night, that's up to 60,000 pesos potential income every month. Your condo practical pays for itself. Amazing! Secure your unit today. Message me, Sheena, to know more. Bye!